Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to install and use plugins. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I would really appreciate it. And the next thing you want to go ahead and do is head over to the OBS plugin page on their OBS website. This is going to be the safest things for you to use. There's different themes, there's different tools, there's different scripts and all this other kind of stuff, but let's go ahead and just add a regular plugin, right? So let's go with advanced mass, right? So what we want to do is just go ahead and click on it and download it. You look for the one that you're going to want for your computer. Since I have Windows, I'm going to go to the Windows zip. Now that it's downloaded, I go into my folders or my downloads. And as you see, the plugin will be right here. I'm going to go ahead and extract it. Extract all. Yep. Just leave it in my downloads folder is what I like to do. I'll close this tab and save it for in a little bit. Go to my PC, and I know I have like no space left. I should probably deal with that. Go to my program files. Head over into OBS Studio if I could find it. Right here. And then literally all I have to do is take the stuff from this plugin and then just drag it and drop it into my OBS Studio folder. Press continue. And then now when I open up my new OBS, the plugins will be ready and available for me to use. I don't know why I'm lagging. Kind of weird. But then, yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and put them down below. I'm not too sure what this did. Image mass blend. Okay, as you see, here's the new thing that it added, actually. So there you go. Yeah, have a wonderful day.